Hello tea lovers, welcome to Chao. Today we are going to have a tea party. And in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make your tea using a teapot properly, as well as how you can make use of your tea bags as much as you can, including what to do after you use them. I'm sure not many of you will have access to proper tea leaves, so today we are going to use tea bags. And I have here with me one of my favorite black tea, Darjeeling. I also like Earl Grey. And of course, it really depends on what you have in your cupboard. So you might have a Lipton or something like that in your cupboard. So you can use any one of those. For this demonstration, I'm going to show you green tea and how to serve it properly, just for your family or when you're having guests over. So I'm using here about a 4-cup teapot. So we have our 4 teacups, and then I just have a small little bowl here just to put our tea bags later. So what you do, because this is, I like my tea a little bit stronger. So for this teapot, I'm going to use about 2 bags of tea. Then we're going to put our hot water into the teapot. So dip your tea bags in a little bit of hot water and then throw the first brew away. I have now made my tea bag sterile. It's time to brew my tea. Okay. Normally you put it just around the handle so that it doesn't fall into the teapot. I'm going to pour about half a teapot. Now, depending on how strong you like your tea to be, you can leave it to brew for about 1 to 2 minutes. Take off the tea bags, put it in a small bowl, and then serve your tea. Now, the reason why you're doing that, why you're taking off the tea bags, is because you want everyone who's sharing the tea with you to have the same taste of tea. So if you leave the tea bags in there, some of them will be stronger than the others. So what you do is you pour the tea into each of the teacups, like so. Try and finish the whole teapot. Okay, it's finished. And then again, you can put your tea bags back in the teapot. Do the same thing. Pour your hot water. This time, you might want to leave your tea longer than 1 to 2 minutes. It's the same procedure. So what you do is after 2 to 3 minutes, you take off the tea bags and then you serve your tea. So this way, everybody gets the same taste of tea each time. When you serve to your guests or your family, you don't have to put sugar. You can put the sugar at the sides so that in case any one of them would like to have sugar, they can do it according to their own taste. So we can put sugar there, or for some of you would like equal. Otherwise, that's how you serve your tea perfectly. Okay, so now this is our second brew. Again, take off your tea bags and then you can just leave your tea in the pot for others to make a refill. So how many times can you do this? You can do this up to 3 times. You might ask, can you still use the tea bags once you have served it or used it to brew 3 times? So here's a small tip. You can put your tea bags in the refrigerator and then you can use it as an eye pack for when you need to relax at the end of the day. So there you have it, the proper way to brew your tea the proper way to share your tea using a teapot and a tea bag. If you're using tea leaves instead of tea bags, it's the same procedure. Make sure that every brew you take out all your brew tea out of the teapot and then pour your hot water in for your second or your third brew. So this is my simple tip for today. I hope you learned something new and share your tea with everyone in your family. Don't forget to click the subscribe button below for more of these videos. Thank you for watching and ciao for now.